Hello everyone, welcome back to the online help guide. I'll be showing you how to enable dark mode on TokenPocket in this video. Let's get started. Start by opening TokenPocket on your device. Tap on Me icon at the bottom right. Tap on Settings at the bottom. Tap on Appearance. To enable dark mode, simply tap on the dark mode. Another method can be go to Me again, then tap on the moon icon at the top right beside the bell icon. And that is how to enable dark mode on TokenPocket. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.